Hi, I'm John with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember that anytime you work on an appliance, make sure that it is unplugged or the circuit breaker is turned off so there is no chance of electrocution. We're going to show you how to install a new door recess spring for your GE refrigerator. It's a really easy job that only requires a Phillips head screwdriver, a putty knife, and a few minutes of your time. When you open the package, you'll get one new door recess spring. The reason why you'd be replacing the door recess spring is if the door latch assembly won't work, if the ice maker won't make or dispense ice, or if the door won't open or close. The part you'll be replacing is located within the water dispenser assembly. We'll need to start by removing this outside trim panel. Use a putty knife to press in on the tabs to release the trim panel. Lift up on the bottom of the main control panel, then remove it from its mounting assembly. Note the location of each of the wiring connectors, then remove the connections. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws that retain the mounting assembly. Pull the assembly from the refrigerator cabinet. With the ice dispenser assembly removed, you can now access the door recess spring. Start by loosening, but not removing, the left screw that holds the door recess crank. Then, loosen and completely remove the right screw. Also, be sure to remove the small bracket. Lift up on the base of the ice door, which will release it from the solenoid. Then, remove the whole assembly. Remove the spring. Here's the old door recess spring next to the new one. If you already have the new part, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new door recess spring onto the recess crank. Align the hook on the right side of the recess crank within the top of the solenoid. Align the straight edge of the spring so that it folds backwards to generate tension. Then position the side of the recess crank into the mount. Tighten the left screw. Then install the mounting bracket and thread in and tighten the right screw. Afterwards, install the ice dispenser assembly in the freezer door. Thread in and tighten the retaining screws. Reinstall the main control panel by reconnecting the wiring harness connections. Position the top edge of the control panel, then push the bottom into place. Reinstall the outer trim panel, and then reconnect the power cord, then the refrigerator should be ready for use. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. And be sure to check out our other repair videos on our website, on our Facebook page, and on our YouTube channel.